So it becomes now 6 divided by 25, it becomes 6 divided by 25, so it becomes point sorry 24, okay, 6 divided by 24, so it becomes 0.25 inch, okay. Now 0.25 inch, so but you almost your taste of it will be in mm only, that movement reading is there now, that will be in mm only. So we'll do what we'll do the now convert it into mm, okay. So 1 inch is equal to 25.4, 1 inch is equal to 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm, 0.25 inch, okay, 0.25 inch is equal to how many mm? So nothing but what, just you have to multiply, that's enough. 25.4 into 0.25, 0.25 into 25.4, so it becomes 6.35, it becomes equal to 6.35 mm. So this is the answer, okay. So this example it is there in your book, so you directly copy. Now one more I will do, that's enough, okay, but there is not much time. So one more, if it is in the ratio, okay, if it is in the ratio, so ratio, for that nothing what is there, ratio into length divided by 2, ratio into length divided by 2. So given the ratio will be, actually always it will be given the ratio 1 in 20, 2 in 20, 1 in 40, 1 in 60, like that. So ratio means what, for 60 mm length, suppose if it is 1 in 60, okay, 1 is to 60, 1 is to 60 means for 60 mm length, okay, for 60 mm length there is a taper of 1 mm, okay. Suppose if it is here 40 dia, so here it is a 39 dia. What is this length is 60 mm, okay, length is 60 mm. So for 1 is 60 means for 60 mm length 1 mm taper. Suppose here it is 40 diameter, here it will be 39. Suppose if we are 50 diameter, here it will be 49, okay. If it is here 75 diameter, here it will be 74, like that. So 1 mm taper is there. So in ratio we will do the one calculation. Given data, one in 20. So nothing but it is a 1 by 20. Okay, nothing but it is a 1 by 20. So length will take L is equal to, length is equal to 230 mm. Okay, 230 mm will take 230 mm. So offset is equal to how much? Okay, offset is equal to how much? For that formula, offset is equal to ratio into length divided by 2. Okay, ratio into length divided by 2. So 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 20 into 230. 1 by 20 into 230 divided by 2. So if you do multiply, okay, if you do multiply, you will get nothing directly also can do 230 divided by 20 into 4, one another same I think. See, 230 divided by 40. 230 divided by 40 So what are the same? Okay, so here also you will get same answer both top that time it was actually 6.35 mm. So here now actually 5.75 mm. So is equal to 5.75 mm. Alright, this is the answer. Okay, 5.5, this directly you can calculate. 5.75 mm, your tail stroke you have to shape. Okay. Like that, one more is there in theta. Okay, suppose if you know only included angle, okay, in the job, included angle will be given. So that drawing and all it is there. Okay, drawing and all it is there in the notes. You copy as it is from the notes. Drawing I won't draw. I won't draw. So it is more. You cannot upload properly. So angle actually given our data. Theta, okay, theta is equal to 6 degree. So that is that the job will be given for you. Okay, job will be given for you. This angle is, this included angle is there. No, that is the 6 degree. Okay, but when you will do the, because we are going to shift the tail stroke to only one side, so that is called half of the angle, not full. Okay, half of the angle. So always it is a theta by 2. Always it is called theta by 2, so it becomes 3 degree. Okay. Next length 160 mm. Offset is equal to, that you have to calculate. Offset is equal to how much? So for this drawing is there. Okay, it is there in the notes. I will send you in the WhatsApp. So you copy drawing from the WhatsApp itself. Okay. So but formula you see is simple. Nothing is there. Offset is equal to length into theta by 2. Okay. Offset is equal to length into theta by tan theta by 2. Tan theta by tan theta by 2. So it is equal to length 160 into tan 3 degree. Isn't it? Tan 3 degree is equal to 160 into either if you see from the table or else calculator. So tan 3 degree it becomes 0.524. Okay, 0.0524. You see from the calculator. Okay, you will get 0.024. Then here what offset you have to do is it becomes 8.38 mm. 8.38 mm. Okay, these are all the examples. It is there in your this one book, whatever I sent notes. Okay, but actually it is not there in your textbook. Okay, this is actually from the beginning. From the beginning it was there. Now why they are cancelled, I do not know. Actually, this is very important for you. This is very important. Otherwise, it is no use. You cannot do any work, isn't it? So that's why this is not there in your textbook. It is separate. So as what I gave notes, no, that same notes you copy. And one more thing you keep it in mind. It will be asked many times. The maximum shifting. Okay, offset of the tail stroke should not be more than 1/5. Okay, 1/1/5 of the length of the job. Not more than 1/5 of the length of the job. Suppose 100 mm job. Okay, 100 mm job into 1/5. So you can shift maximum 20 mm. Okay, bigger length. Okay, small hour length, small length and all 20 mm it is not possible. So, but only maximum we can shift up to 20 mm, not more than that. Okay, that you keep it in mind. It will be asked for, choose the correct answer. So, so anything else if it is there. Now one more is there. What that internal thread cutting, internal chasing dial. One more chasing dial is there. Okay, that is very easy actually. In your book it is given, lot of things it is given, but you may not understand at all. Okay, I will send the videos if you want. You just see that thread dial. Okay, thread chasing dial. If you use, what happens? No. Now, as I said, when you do the threading, once if it is off nut, once it is engaged, you cannot disconnect. Okay, one cut is going now. First we are giving about 0.5 depth, and for entire length, one cut is finished. Then what you have to do? You have to take the tool back. Okay, you have to take the tool back. Then what you will do? You will put the reverse. Same pitch that tool has to come. So it will take lot of time. You see, it will take lot of time. But already one video I sent you. You might have observed. I don't know. You see. So you have to take backward manual. Just you have to put reverse. You have to take it back. Suppose if you are using this thread dial, okay, this chasing dial, if you use, what happens in that mark and all is there. Only you can only first cut you can do thread cutting. Then you can disconnect. You can disconnect the up nut. But what that reading and all you have to set in the thread chasing dial. Then you can take by carriage. Directly you can take by carriage. Again what you have to do? Again you have to see the mark. In that mark and all is there. Okay, that next class I'll try to do in this, or directly we'll do in the Google Meet. Okay, we'll do the Google Meet class only. So in the textbook only itself I'll explain you. Okay, now next 2 more classes I'll do in the Google Meet. Okay, Google Meet you will see. So textbook if it is there in front of you, so it is possible. There is no calculation in that. So we'll see in the next I'll tell. Okay, when that class will be. Okay, thank you.